Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today let me show you how to set up a business checking account on Twoguysfinance. All right, so it's gonna be a quick video. We're not gonna waste much time. Let's just jump straight into it. Now the first thing you're gonna do is to go to Twoguysfinance's website, and once you're there you want to click on business checking. Next, you're going to review the different business checking account options that are available on Twoguysfinance and just choose the one that best suits your specific business need. And once you find it, just click apply now, and then you're going to be required to fill out the online application form. Now on that form, you're going to need to provide required documentations such as business financials as well as tax returns. So once you provided all of that and you filled out the form, you can review and agree to the business checking accounts terms and conditions. And once that's skipped over, that's done, you're gonna receive a business checking account decision. And if that decision is approved, then you can review and sign the account documents. And once that's done, you're gonna fund your business checking account and start managing your business finances. You can always use Twoguysfinance's online banking platform, or you could use their mobile app to manage your business checking accounts easily. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to set up a business checking account on Twoguysfinance. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.